Hi everyone, this is Deb. Welcome to Deck the Year, which is hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. This is week 18, May 2nd, and I have had tulips on the brain because my daffodils are done, my tulips are blooming, and some of them are almost done, and I have a lot of pink ones. I have a couple other colors too, but I found these two paper tapes. These were from Target when we used to call it the dollar spot. Now it's the bullseye. Most things are $3, $5, $7, that kind of stuff. Anyway, years ago I had gotten this die cut. I call it washi. They call it paper tape, but you know. That one with the cutouts and this one with the tulips. And I will, when I'm finished, I will save these backgrounds because they're pretty tulips, right? So anyway, here's my card. I'm using the deck from my mother's. I've already done the back. Now this one's not too bad. This one is sticky on the front and back and it doesn't come off very well. So actually it kind of tore up here and down here and but so I put some along the edges and I went over it with my embossing buddy thing for powder to get some of the sticky off because it just really felt gross. So, and then I brought in Tulip Fields. This is a retired set from Stampin' Up. I used this, and before I did that, these are scraps left over from yesterday's when I did the yes, altered index card for the 30th. That's Granny Apple Green, and this is Magenta Madness. This might be a different piece, actually, but it's out of the same color, and it was a scrap, too. And I cut this piece off, see? And I messed up on that one. So I stamped 3 times, I think, with the Tulip Fields, and I didn't have my Magenta Madness ink out, so I used Polished Pink, which is also retired. This is a piece of washi. See, it's kind of torn there and everything. That's okay. It's going to get covered up. And then I put this other washi over the top, and then I stamped in Memento Tuxedo Black this windmill. I was originally thinking or hoping I could use the one in here, but look how big the windmills are compared to this. So I needed the little one. And I did bring in Tim Holtz these things, and I picked, I think, Beautiful Day out of the white with gold. And on the back, I used this penny black, it says Life Journals, but these are like library card, just the one with the lines. And that was here because I can't write straight. And I did use a pink Papermate Flare pen on there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and glue this down, and then we'll get the other piece that I did. I'll show you that in a second. I know you didn't come here just to learn how to glue, right? But I thought I'd do part of it with you. Now, the card has rounded corners. I'm not going to round on this one because I have the tapes going across. And I can see that some of the tape in the background is coming through. Hang on a second. Sorry about that. I think there's so much pollen in the air. Yesterday I went out and I drove my car somewhere. And when I went to get in my car, it's covered with pollen. I don't have a garage or anything. Okay, this is a strip of Granny Apple Green. This stamp here is this one here, and I stamped Granny Apple Green on Granny Apple Green. I brought in my fringe scissors, and I just did a little fringe along the top. Those are from American Crafts. I'm not sure where I got them exactly, probably online somewhere. I don't see a Tuesday morning thing on there, so I don't think it was there. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. This I put little dimensionals on. I had to fussy cut it, and it's going to go, oh, well, we're going to take this one off because with the grass there, it's not going to lay right if I have that bottom one on. I might just need another little one right here. Let's see how that fits. I think it'll be all right with maybe, yeah, one more little one. Oops. Right next to that one. You know what? No, this one's kind of ruined. Good thing they're not very expensive. Everything's getting so expensive now. There. The difficulty I have with this is these two have really thin things, and that one looks like it's tearing. So I have to be really careful when I put them down. So let's just go ahead and glue this down. And I didn't put any ribbon on. I wanted to use that washi instead. I have a tendency to use ribbon, you know. But yeah, not today. No, no, not today. Alright, so all I have to do now is take these little papers that get all over my house on the bottom of my feet and my socks, and I try to pick them up and make sure they go in the trash right away because I don't want my cat to get curious and eat them or something. I am worried about that one. I need to get this onto the card ASAP. And this was apparently a scrap because there was apparently something on the back. And I just got a little bit of it. You can see red or pink or something there. Alright, trying really hard not to grab it by those. And I want this to kind of cover up that seam. And I feel like I need, it's a little bit crooked, but you know, maybe windmills aren't straight. I don't know. I would so love to go to, is it Holland that has these? Okay, I need a little bit of glue under here. Just a tad. Anyway, I'd love to see it when the tulips are in full bloom. I just feel like I need some kind of something up here, like a little, maybe one of those little gold butterflies or something. Butterflies, where are you? 1 second, everyone. Yep, here we go. And these are still current. They are, well, as of yet, I didn't check this morning, but they have been on the Stampin' Up website. And you know what? They're in the, oops, they're in the new annual catalog, so I am sure they're still current. I'm going to get a little one, put it up here, and then I'll put another big one here. Yeah, trio of butterflies that fills that space. So there's my hashtag Deck the Year for week 18, May 2nd, and I'm making this on May 1st, May Day, and my nephew's birthday. So happy birthday to him, and I hope you all have a wonderful day and the rest of your week and weekend. We're actually, just an aside, my daughter's family and I, well, my daughter and my daughter's family and I are celebrating Mother's Day this Saturday because she is going away the weekend of Mother's Day. I hope the rain holds off. It's supposed to rain, but we're going to go to a place called Longwood Gardens, and so we'll get a nice good walk in and see beautiful flowers. So maybe if I can get some decent pictures and figure out how to print them, maybe I'll do a journal page about that. So we'll see. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Have a wonderful week. Bye.